Welcome. Let's walk you through everything included in the VMMA Platinum Membership Plan, and trust us, you'll want to hear it all the way to the end. First up, a commission pay raise. As a Platinum member, you earn 33% commissions instead of the standard 25%. On the first order and every recurring order from everyone you personally refer. That difference adds up fast. Next, zero out your marketing costs. Your first 3 Platinum membership sales go directly toward covering your $29 monthly membership. Every other first sale from any pack is paid to you as cash commissions. And once you hit your 3rd Platinum sale, every Platinum sale after that is cash in your pocket. Period. 100% done for you follow-ups. You don't have to chase anyone. Follow-ups are handled by human virtual assistants and scheduled through Easify. The moment a prospect submits their information to your VMMA Showcase Gateway page, they're automatically placed in front of your company-specific digital video magazine. The system works while you don't. Your VMMA custom membership sign-up page gives you everything you need to close: your own funnel, your upline or sales agent, an FAQ page, corporate customer service, 24/7 automated chat, live chat from 9 to 5, and even phone support depending on your primary company. And then there's this: free unlimited exclusive phone interviewed prospects. Free unlimited exclusive yesies, converted directly from those prospects, and your free prospects are redeemable the moment any pack is purchased. 2 custom VMMA co-branded sizzle call ads, one in English and one in a language of your choice, or 2 different ads to promote your products, opportunities, passions, purpose, or prosperity journey. Your brand, your voice, your reach. Now, the 24-hour Act Now bonus. Any VMMA affiliate who signs up within 24 hours of reviewing this plan qualifies to offer this same bonus to new affiliates. People who are ready to share their passion, their purpose, and their brand can have their journey started within 24 hours of making the decision. Once you're qualified, every person you refer who decides to build their brand earns you a custom VMMA digital co-branded ad, ready to post across all your social media outlets immediately. Here's what that looks like in real numbers. Refer 20 others and you receive 20 custom co-branded ads to use in your marketing right away. You also earn $10 on each new affiliate's initial setup order and $10 every month when they renew. Your first 3 sales cover your $29 membership, so after that you're generating pure net recurring income. Now just imagine referring 20 people a week. You could be earning $200 a week, part-time. And here's the best part. You don't have to pick up a single phone to close anyone. The system sifts, sorts, and does the selling for you. In fact, you're listening to part of the system right now, and we saved the best for last. You earn free phone-interviewed prospects based on your pack sales, 25 prospects for an EP pack sale, 50 for an LU pack, 100 for an IP pack, 200 for a VM. I pack 300 for a TIM pack, and 400 for a TF pack. Once you've accumulated at least 300 prospects, you can redeem them with the purchase of at least an EA pack. To learn how to fully leverage the VMMA customer acquisition system, get back with your VMMA affiliate and request the compensation plan PDF. We would like to welcome you in advance. Join us today so you don't miss out on the amazing 24-hour Act Now bonuses. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.